Hi Silem stars, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a skirt wrapper. So it's actually a wrapper and it's also a skirt. I know, it's amazing. It's a wrapper and a skirt, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it very easy, very simple. It's actually trending at the moment, and that's why I thought to show you guys how to make it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Now for the width of the fabric you need to measure your hip circumference and then add 14 inches. Now this is because you want your skirt wrapper to overlap very well in front so that it has a very good coverage. So my hip circumference is 38 inches. So I'm just marking that 38 inches and then I'm adding 14 inches to that. Okay, so just mark your hip circumference and then add 14 inches to that. Now the length of my skirt is actually 43 inches, okay? Now just go ahead and fold your fabric so you can cut out your belt. So this is the belt you're going to attach to the waist of the skirt, okay? So the width of my belt is 5 inches. My belt is 5 inches wide, so I'm just cutting that out. And now I'm just measuring the length of my belt. The length of my belt is 40 inches. So I simply added my waist circumference is 29 inches. So I just added about 11 inches to that. Now I'm cutting along the fold so that I can separate my belt into two. Okay, so I can have two belts that are both 40 inches long and 5 inches wide. So these are the two belts I have. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to fold them lengthwise, as you can see here, and then I'm going to close one end by sewing it down. Close one end, and then I'm also going to sew along the length, leaving the other end open so I can turn out the belt from the other end. Now back to my skirt. After I've gotten my desired length and width, I'm just folding my skirt, and then I'm measuring from the top all the way down 17 inches. Okay, so measure from the top of your skirt down 17 inches, mark that point, and then you're going to sew the skirt all the way down to the hem with half-inch seam allowance. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sew along that line. Now after sewing it, this is all we're going to have. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and hem that opening that I have in front. This opening is going to be at the center front, so I'm just going to go ahead and just hem it. Okay, fold it neatly and sew it down. Now once I'm done, this is what we're going to have. Can you see how neat it looks right now? So this is going to be right there at the center front, as you can see right now. Just make sure that you open up the seam allowance and iron it flat so everything is nice and neat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my belt. Okay, before I insert my belt, I'm going to fold the top part of my skirt. I'm just going to fold it like this, making sure that the fold is about 2.5 inches wide so that I can insert my belt right there at the end, just as you're seeing me doing right now. And I'm going to make sure that I pin it in place, and then I'm going to sew it down. Just make sure you pin it so that it's easy for you to sew. So as you can see, I've pinned that in place. Just make sure that it's neatly folded all the way from one end to the other end. I'm going to go ahead and sew it all the way around. So same thing with the other side. I'm also going to fold it and insert the belt at the very end. And then I'm just going to go ahead and insert the belt at the very end and also fold that in. Fold the rest of the waist inward like I did for the other side. Also make sure to pin it in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take it to my sewing machine, sew the belt down, and then sew the rest of it, the rest of the waistband as well. So make sure you sew the belt down, make sure you back stitch so it's nice and secure, and then sew the rest of the waistband just the way you pinned it. When you get to the other end, make sure you also sew the waistband as well. Make sure you take out the pins as you sew so it doesn't break your needle. And this is what it looks like once we're done. And this is the look of the skirt. It's very simple, but it looks really good. Don't forget to hem the bottom part of the skirt as well. Don't forget to fold it in and just sew it nicely. But this is what it looks like, guys. I'm going to show you how to wear it in a minute. Guys, it's really important that the rope is long enough, because when you tie it in front, you want it to be able to get all the way to the back of your waist, and then you still want to be able to tie it in a bow if you prefer. So I'm going to show you guys how to wear this skirt wrapper. So once you put the skirt on, you want to twist the rope twice in front and then take it to the back, and then you tie it nicely. It looks really good. I really love how this skirt turned out. It's so easy to make and it's really beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye.